point in me screaming and you hearing my echo, guys. So, okay, if you stay till the end, give me a thumbs up, okay, if my voice is clear. And if you stay till the end, guys, I'm going to show you how you can take this knowledge and even turn this into an income, just like how I'm doing, right? All I need to do is talk about something that I firmly believe, and you could make a steady income out of this, guys. So stick till the end, where I'm going to teach you how to not only take care of your health, but also make an income by taking care of your health and talking about it, just like how I'm doing, guys. There's nothing to scam here or nothing, fishy about it. It's just going and telling people how to lead a healthy life, and the most simplest way, guys, the most simplest way to lead the healthiest life. I'm going to talk about it, so stick with me till the end if you're looking at taking care of your health and wanting to take care of your wealth while leading the life that you deserve. The best version, becoming the best version of yourself, taking care of yourself, guys, taking care of yourself. Self-care is never selfish. So let's understand the problem. Like, you know what? Let's first talk about what most people think about insulin resistance, right? Insulin resistance only happens to diabetics. Oh my gosh, I had this misconception and I was like shocked when I realized that everybody needs to take care of their blood sugar balance and ensure that they don't end up with insulin resistance, because it's not only important for diabetics, folks. It's not only important for diabetics, it's important for anybody that wishes to lead a very healthy life. The second misconception is, I just need to eat less and move more to lose weight. I was stuck in this for years. Just eating less and moving more is a game changer, I agree, but that's not going to address the root cause of your problem. That's not going to teach your body how to balance your blood sugar, especially if you've been suffering with insulin resistance. If you've been overloading your body with a lot of sugar and the body doesn't know how to handle the sugar anymore, just eating less and moving more is not going to break it for you, guys. This is something that blew my mind, and that's when I started learning more and more about insulin resistance, and it blew my mind about how I was so ignorant. I don't want you to be ignorant. I want you to understand that insulin resistance not only is important for diabetics, and it's not just about eating less and losing more weight. The third misconception is, if I cut out sugar, I will fix the problem. If I cut out sugar, I will fix the problem. I swear to God, many of you believe that sugar, just cutting out sugar from your food and from your life is going to make it. One is like, how sustainable is it? You got a question. Second is, just cutting out sugar is not going to teach your body how to learn to process any form of sugar. The food, the carbs that you eat, the protein that you eat, ultimately gets converted to sugar. So you got to teach your body, because what we have done is we've abused our body over years. It's forgotten how to handle that sugar, and that's why we are suffering with insulin resistance, folks. Nobody talks about it. Doctor does not tell us. They are so not ready to talk about it because they're so tired. They think that we are not going to do anything about it, and it's not their job to address the root cause of the problem, because they've simply been not taught to address root cause. They've not been taught to address issues in a holistic way. They just look at organs part by part and look at how it's functioning. My friends, our body is not an industry where you're looking at one different unit separately by itself. It is freaking holistic. It's all one body, guys. So doctors are not going to tell you what's the root cause of the problem. We need to take control of our own health. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if this resonates with you. Like, we got to empower ourselves. We got to take control of our lives, and I'm here showing up every single day for you to start taking care of your health before your organs stop functioning. And we already spoke. If you're in pre-diabetes, people were joining me live. Warm welcome. We are just talking about what it takes to take control, how simple it could be to take control of our health. And what I was just saying is, I was talking to a doctor few days back, and what she told me was like, people come in at a pre-diabetic stage and at a diabetic stage, not even realizing that at a pre-diabetic stage, your pancreas is only functioning by 50%, folks. 50%. pancreas is only functioning by 50%. Johnny, thank you so much for giving me a like. Johnny, thank you so much for commenting. Your comments, your likes mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Sorry, on the other day, I was not looking at my chat, so I could not answer your comments. But Johnny, thank you so much. I did not mean to ignore you. It was just that I'm still new to this platform, TikTok and YouTube, and I'm having a hard time trying to keep all of this together while ensuring that I show up every single day, motivating you to take care of your health. Health is in our hands. I want to leave a legacy. I want my kids to actually be the best version of themselves. So how do I do it? They don't freaking listen to me, guys. My kids don't listen to me. They only see me, and they don't hear me. They see what I do. My older one is just mimicking. Easy peasy way out for them, right? They just mimic everything I do and just follow it. And they're like, if mama's got it, I know I can just follow that protocol. What happens? It put me in an even more difficult situation where I have to ensure that I take care of myself to the utmost possible extent, because my friends, I want to leave a legacy, guys, and I want you to do the same. You empower yourself, take control of your health, you lead by example, and I promise you will leave a legacy of people who is super comfortable, super confident. They are very clear on what they want to do. They're very healthy. They take care of themselves. They lead others, and they are the leaders who are going to change the world. And that's the legacy we want to create. We want to do this for us. We want to do this for our family. When the purpose is more bigger than just yourself, my friends, when the purpose is more bigger, the universe is going to help you. So always your purpose. I know if you're a mom, comment if you're a mom or dad and you want to lead by example. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you are a mom who wants to lead by example, or if you're a dad who wants to lead by example, because the only way we lead by example for our kids is by taking care of ourselves. Johnny, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me, giving me likes. I will show up every day with all those like, thank you so much for giving me that love, giving me that like. It means a lot to me. So we're talking about misconceptions, and we just will get into the beliefs, right? What beliefs do we have that's holding us back? I am gaining weight because my metabolism is slow. Guys, I believe this for years, guys. My metabolism is slow. I have a genetic problem. My aunt is overweight. My mom's overweight. I never am going to be able to lose weight. And that's why I'm gaining weight. Guys, I'm here to tell you it's not about metabolism. We are addressing the root cause, which is insulin resistance. But I would love for you to start opening up yourself and saying this to yourself. Like, it's all the belief, guys. Believing that you have metabolism is nothing to do with your weight gain. It's okay. It's insulin resistance, and anybody can follow simple steps, simple protocol to ensure that your metabolism is back up and running. It's not slow, guys. It is not slow. It's freaking on fire. It's freaking on fire, guys. It's not slow. The second belief that we have is, if I eat something sweet, I just need to burn off, all of them, right? At the gym. If I eat sweets, I'm going to run to the gym and burn it off. Guys, unless you teach your body how to burn it off, how to process sugar in the right way, this is not going to happen. So don't beat yourself up for eating that sweet. Everybody needs sweets and desserts once in a while. So don't feel bad about it, and don't feel obligated to always run to the gym. I know working out is awesome, but just don't let that guilt be the reason, okay? You want to teach your body how to process it. You're going to learn to teach it how to fish, and it's going to do all the magic for you, right? The third belief, or the third feeling that you have is feeling tired after meals is normal. It just means I ate too much. That's something like, everybody feels tired after meals. It's just because I ate too much. No, that's not the case. It's because your body is struggling, guys. Your body is crying. It's asking for help. It's like, give me a break. You have given me so much food, but I don't know how to process it. So we're going to teach the right way to feed our body so that it's not going to struggle, because struggle is not normal, folks. It could be real, but it is not normal, right? Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if this resonates with you. Give me a like if what I'm saying, the beliefs, the misconceptions, all of them resonate to you, because we're not here to talk about problems, and we're just not here to talk about the band-aid solutions. We are here, my friends, to talk about how to get to the root cause of the problem. It's super simple, guys. You don't need to do it the hard way. It's super duper simple. You know what? I am on fire today because I see the likes. I see you all looking at me and talking I know you're talking to me, right? I know you're listening to me. I know you're giving me a love. I know you're giving me a thumbs up. And that's setting me up on fire. The weather is opening up, friends. I'm just going to drink a sip of water. I'm going to not call it a day. I'm going to start talking, continue talking. The next is, let's talk about emotions, guys. Emotions and struggles. Emotions and struggles. What emotions and struggles do we undergo? I feel exhausted all the time, even after a full night's sleep. Trust me, guys, I have an underactive thyroid and I've been here. I continued to be here before a few months back. Just before a few months back, I felt exhausted all the time. All the time. I had a full night's sleep. And you know what? I was believing that my thyroid condition was the reason. Like, people with thyroid disorders, they got to sleep for like 14 hours. Like, who freaking gets to sleep for 10 to 14 hours in a day? Life is super busy. We have only a short life, okay? Comparatively, we got to get so many things done. We cannot afford to sleep 10 to 14 hours, even though it will be nice to have. But I believe that because I had an underactive thyroid and I felt exhausted all the time, I believe that I need extreme and increased amount of sleep. Like 10, 14 hours of sleep is what I used to believe. That's nonsense. That's BS, guys. And then the other thing that we have is the emotions that run hard in us. Is I feel frustrated because I keep gaining belly fat no matter what I do. Please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Until you're crying into your ice cream at 2 in the morning. And then I kind of really feel better somehow. Oh, Johnny, I hear you, Johnny. I hear you so much. Like, you're crying at 2. I've faced these challenges. I had the hard time just stopping to eat because my stomach was grumbling with hunger. I've been through this. So I totally understand, and I understand your challenges, guys. I really do understand. I appreciate you commenting because, yes, the 2 a.m. the struggle is real, guys. Like, you cannot get yourself to sleep. You want to eat something. I get it, guys. I get it. People in YouTube, give me a like. Give me your questions, okay? I'm here to answer your questions. And then you feel like I have no willpower. This is something I hear time and again. Instead of willpower, how do my clients say, and I'm a weight loss coach, guys, what do they say is, because after losing 45 kgs, that's all I want to do. I want to help everybody lose weight. And I'm finding out the most easiest and simplest way. It's been a journey for me. I was thinking counting carbs and everything was a way. But no, people are proving here that no, you don't need to count carbs. You don't need to freaking count your calories. You don't need to cut down carbs. You can lose weight in a very simple and sustainable way. It blew my mind. So it's not about willpower, folks. It's not about consistency. And please don't beat yourself up. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you beat yourself up like me constantly. Like, oh my gosh, I messed up my calories today. Oh my gosh, I did not do anything well today. Give me a thumbs up if you're like me. Maggie, what happened? I haven't seen you. Maggie, you are not in my lives over the last 1 week. So Maggie is asking, what's the problem, ma'am? I have not seen you like this. That is the power, I'm saying. That's the power of the protocol that I'm following, guys. It gets me up on fire. You will see a different Neela every single day because the moment I know that I'm going to show up every single day for you on my live, lights me up. Today, I am all lit up. I don't know why, but I am lit up. I am there for you guys, and that is what I want you to take advantage of. So Maggie, thank you so much for saying I haven't seen you like this before, but I would love for you to join my daily live because it's pretty much like this a lot of days, except for some days where I'm like, hi guys. But who will watch me if I sit and say, hi guys, how are you doing today? Nobody will watch me. I want you to have some energy through the day. I want you to feel lit up. I want you to show up as the best version for yourself, and that's why I'm doing this, guys. All right? You do look amazingly stunning. I'm kind of starting staring. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, thank you so much. I have to give the credit to the filters that are there in in TikTok. So I kind of like seeing myself. So Johnny, thank you so much for saying that. What did you do before then if you were always this beautiful? Oh, you're so kind, you're so kind. You know what? This world needs a lot of kindness, my folks. You can go and watch me on YouTube and see that the filters are all gone off and I am not looking this great. But you know what? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So Johnny, it's that beauty that's inside, that's shining so high and bright that you see the beauty of others. You need to have a beautiful heart to see the beauty in others, and that's what I see in you, right? I faked it. I faked the filter on. Thank you so much. You know, you are making my day. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you helping me out and, you know, keeping me motivated. And people are asking, what's happening? I follow you, Tamil Pen. Thank you for your reply. Yes, continue to follow me because I am here to show up as the best version of myself. And I want you to be the best version of yourself. I want you to take control of your health, right? I want you to get off those stubborn weight, get your energy back, get your life back, folks. And we're talking about all the beliefs because it starts with belief, it starts with misconceptions, right? And we also get to action. So we believe this, we got to remove all those beliefs, and then we are not, you know, feeling good, feeling that our emotions are ruining us. So we are taking control of the emotions. And then when we get to actions, it's all starting to make sense. So what are the actions that we do to ensure that we get our energy back, we get our weight back? I picked pizza for breakfast. Now I'm hurt because I ate it. That's okay. Johnny, that's okay that you're eating pizza. I had pizza like a couple of days back because I took my kids out. And you know what? When my kids are eating pizza, I am not going to be looking at that plate wondering why on earth that I can't eat it. I love the crust part of the pizza. Is it just me, folks, that only love the crust part of the pizza, or anybody else that loves the crust? Because what I would do is, my little one, the one that's 9-year-old, she doesn't like to eat the crust. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I crave crust, please. So I would eat it and I would keep the rest. So I burnt my mouth. Yeah, I am like, oh my gosh, pizza. Yeah, I get it. Please don't beat yourself. It's okay. It's totally okay. We all eat pizza, but we get back on track because we know we're not going to do it every day. So please don't burn yourself. Beat yourself up, but you already burnt your tongue. That's okay, that'll be fine, you know. Maybe that's a way of your body saying, you know what, I burnt your tongue because I don't want you to eat that every day. I am sure, Johnny, you're not going to eat that every day. But guys, please don't beat yourself up because one day it's not going to ruin us. I eat pizza once in a while. I try to get my carbs back on track. But you know what? You really don't need to worry about it because we are going to look at the root cause of the problems and we're going to fix it. And rest assured, you can feel at peace, okay, knowing that you did the best for your health today, right? So what I have done, I'm going to talk about the mistakes that I've done, right? I used to skip meals thinking that it'll help me lose weight. Big time. I will skip, I will starve. I know my clients come in with like, they do water fasting for days and they step on the scale and the scale doesn't show results. So sit in the bathroom and they cry. You know, they have a meltdown. All of this has happened, guys. So that's one of the biggest mistakes, our actions in terms of, you know, what we try to do. And we drink coffee or energy drinks to fight fatigue, but then you crash later. I am so guilty of this. I have really been dependent on coffee for my whole day. You know, energy drinks is something I have not tried, but coffee is what I am an addict, guys. Comment if anybody loves coffee. Like, are you a coffee addict like me? Maggie, I did lose 24 kgs in 2020 and 2021, but I left doing all the diet and again I want to start. Yes, Maggie, you can do it. Because you know what? Every single time we cannot keep our focus on the weight loss journey, right? There is so much things. Life happens. You know, it's so difficult. It's so difficult for us to keep our focus in our weight loss journey, especially when you had a corona virus hitting you, right? And you were all stuck at home. We didn't know what to do. We started freaking out. The whole world was freaking out. So don't beat yourself up, Maggie, for saying that I lost it, but I've gained weight and I want to start. Today is the best day for the rest of your life. You can do it. I'm here to show up and motivate you every single day saying that you can do it, because for me, impact comes first, money comes next. So I'm going to do. I do Spotify. You're also a coffee addict, Johnny. Spotify, 40 cups of coffee. It wasn't written for me though. I sometimes don't get the nuances when it comes to the Spotify music because I'm not on that, but I think I'm getting what you're saying, Johnny. Like, you know, 40 cups of coffee and then you enjoy the music. So is that what you're trying to say? Please clarify, because I'm not at all smart. I am not smart. And the next mistake that we do is we eat low fat foods, you know, not realizing that these foods spike our insulin even more. Yes, Maggie, you are a coffee addict. Yes, guys, coffee. Please, I know that, you know, this Unimate will help us get over. I have been able to reduce coffee from like 4 to 5 cups a day to 2 cups. But still, coffee is, please don't take the pleasure of coffee away from me. I don't want anybody to take the pleasure of coffee away from me. So, but yes, I can agree. I am a coffee addict, so I can totally relate, Maggie. Yes, you can start again. Today is the best day. Tomorrow is too late, Maggie. Today is the best day to start, okay? So we eat low-fat foods and we think that it's going to help. But you know what, friends? Low-fat foods spike our insulin even more, okay? Type me if any of this sounds familiar. That's the name of the song and the DJ that are on. Thank you for clarifying, John. Yeah, I appreciate it so much. All right, let's get into the science behind insulin resistance, because we have talked about the problems, we talked about the misconceptions that we have, we talked about the emotions that are running hard, we spoke about the belief systems that we have and how we every day got to work on our belief systems, because belief is everything, and I know most of you would agree. But we also need to understand the science behind insulin resistance, because that's the key, my friends, that unlocks yourself to use sugar for energy. That's the key. But when you eat too much sugar and processed food over time, you know, your cells actually stop responding. They are saying, I am done with you. I don't need this much sugar. And they don't even open the doors. And that is called insulin resistance, my friends. And that is what leads to weight gain, cravings, fatigue, and even diabetes. Right? Comment if any one of you have been diagnosed. Thank you so much for the love. Manuja, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for the love. Type if you have been diagnosed, if the doctor has told you that you have insulin resistance. They don't say this unless you ask, like, what's the root cause? Why am I facing this? They just say, okay, you're either pre-diabetic or you're getting there eventually, or that's the range in which I see you going. They just talk at that level, right? They don't get the root cause of the insulin resistance. But what can this insulin resistance do to us, right? The number one reason, the number one manifestation, or whatever this, how this problem is manifesting, is the belly fat. You will see that it stores a lot of fat in your belly area, and your body stays in fat storage mode instead of burning it. We want the other way. We want our body to turn into a fat burning machine, but what the body does is it becomes a fat storage machine. And the root cause, my friends, the root cause of this problem is insulin resistance, guys. Cravings and hunger, that's the next challenge that it throws on us. Your brain thinks you're starving and it makes you eat more and more food. And you know, even when you're full, I always eat a little bit more, because like, oh my gosh, I feel like I can eat this. Comment if you are one of those people that feel like even though you're full, you want to eat that little bit more. You know, that's your brain tricking, and that's coming again, not from your brain, not from your willpower, not from your consistency, nothing from you. Guys, it's the insulin resistance. It's the root cause of the problem. Maggie says, I haven't been diagnosed with any such, but I feel like eating anything I see. Yes, you feel like eating anything you see is your body saying that, hey, you're getting insulin resistant, right? Because that's when your body is tricking you to eat more and more and more food. So all that cravings and hunger is not your fault. So don't please beat yourself up for it. The next issue that it gives us is fatigue and energy crashes. You know, blood sugar spikes and crashes make you feel exhausted. I was in this for years. I used to feel exhausted even after eating a good meal. Comment if you've experienced this. Some meals, definitely, yes. Manoja, thank you so much for agreeing with me. So true, Neela, yes. I've had energy and fatigue crashes. I've had belly fat. I've had hormonal imbalances. Thank you so much for acknowledging, right? Hormonal imbalances, guys, this is the biggest one, guys. This is the biggest one. It contributes to PCOS, thyroid problems, and more. And I can say this because I am first-hand having an underactive thyroid, right? I'm first-hand having an underactive thyroid. So type fix in the chat, guys. Type fix. I'm looking at your comments, you know. Maggie says, I don't know how big my stomach is. Maggie, don't worry, guys. The belly fat is coming from your body, unable to process sugar, and it's spilling it over. It coats your liver. It becomes fatty liver first, and when it doesn't know where to store the liver, it spills over and it becomes belly fat, and that is where we know where the belly fat is coming from. So don't worry about how big or how low your stomach is. What we are going to do is we are going to find the root cause and fix it. Type fix in the chat, guys, if you want to learn how to reverse this, because that's what we are going to get. Type fix. Type fix, please, if you want to fix the problem that's causing you so many issues that we're just talking about, right? How to fix insulin resistance is what we are going to talk about. And this also, my friend, involves changing your belief system, changing your thoughts, changing your emotions towards food. And I assure you, we will get there. We will definitely be able to change our thoughts, feelings, and emotions with food, right? What we need to understand, it's not just about sugar. It's about, I keep saying this all the time. It's not just about sugar. The thought process that I would love for you to cultivate is, it's not about sugar. It's about how my body processes food, right? It's how my body processes food. Give me a like if this resonates with you. It's how your body processes food. It's not about how much sugar you eat. The second thing I would love for us to learn today in terms of your thoughts and belief patterns is, eating fat doesn't make you fat. Insulin spikes do. Guys, let's resonate this. Let's think through this and talk through this for a moment. Eating fat doesn't necessarily make you fat. And I've seen this, I've seen a lot of my friends saying, I am not giving cheese to my kids, because what they literally think of is cheese is something that is super filled with fat, and that fat is literally taken from the cheese and it's going and sitting in your hips or in your belly. The fat is just coming from external source and staying as fat. No, eating fat doesn't make you fat, guys. Please remember, it's insulin resistance. Janani Ramanathan, is it safe to follow intermittent fasting if someone has diabetes, ma'am? Yes, it's absolutely safe. In fact, that's the best protocol you can do, because the root cause of diabetes is insulin resistance, and how you can get over in a very natural and holistic way is following an eating protocol. Slowly work your way through it. Don't rush yourself to getting into a 16-8 window. I am slowly doing in a 14-10 window where I drink my coffee, and I know that messes up with my fast, right? So be slow, be nice to yourself, and you can definitely do it. But yes, for diabetes, insulin resistance, if you're diabetic and if you want to address the root cause of diabetes, which is insulin resistance, fasting is an amazing protocol. I hope I answered your question, Lata. Thank you so much for asking. Oh, Janani, I think, asked. Lata, your question is, after reducing your weight, then why are you drinking Uni Mate and Uni Balance? That's an amazing question. After you've reduced, Neela, you've lost 45 kgs. Why are you doing this? Lata, I am entering into a phase called perimenopause. I don't even know if it is menopause. My hunger and sugar cravings were through the roof. My coffee, I was depending on my coffee like an addict. My mood was all-time low. My gut was bloated. My health was not in a place where I was. So, Lata, to answer your question, what I'm saying is, health is a different journey. Weight loss is a different journey. Losing weight did not necessarily make me healthy. Comment, give me a hearts up. Dr. Manu, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you joining. Give me a thumbs up if you realize that, losing weight doesn't necessarily make you healthy, because it was a big realization for me that when I lost the weight, I didn't necessarily get healthy. Yes, there were parameters that were improved, but I did not fix the root cause of the problem. Guys, thank you so much for the likes. I am super blown today, like 1.2k likes. I'm on fire, guys. Thank you so much. I will do this every single day if you give me so many hearts. But thank you so much. So what I'm trying to say is, I had my gut issues going on. My mental health was at a rock bottom, rock bottom. And that is why Uni Mate and Balance. It's a beautiful segue, but we're also going to talk about a lot of, ways to think differently before we get to the solution. We are slowly getting the solution, which is a fasting protocol and having Uni Mate and Balance. But guys, this is a great question that she asked, because what I hear time and again is, yes, weight loss is going to happen, guys. But this product is not just a weight loss drink. Please, let's think that in for a second, that this product is just not a weight loss drink. It improves your health because it addresses the root cause, which is insulin resistance. And I come from a family, I don't know about you, but I come from a family where my mom is diabetic and my brother is, and they freaking don't do anything about it. You know what? I don't want to be that example for my children. I keep saying you have to address the root cause, and I keep telling my brother this is what is the easiest, simplest way, but they don't listen. Okay, so I know that if I am going to lead a lifestyle down the line, I am going to get all of that. So I want to be super careful about how my body processes the sugar, which is addressing the root cause. Because weight loss did not magically take off that insulin resistance I might have had. Now that I am seeing the benefits of what getting over insulin resistance can do, it just doesn't stop with weight loss, my friends. It's about health, regaining control over health. Weight loss was the first step to regain control over my health, but that was not the end. No, my mental health, my gut health. My gut health is absolutely crucial. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if this resonates with you, because no matter how much weight you lose, if your gut is feeling like bloated, it feels like crap and you're bloated all the time, and you look at yourself in front of the mirror saying that, you know what, I lost 45 kgs, and your gut is like, your body is, your tummy is bloated and you look like whatever, right? You will not feel it. You got to feel the health. And my weight loss journey only left me feeling the health for some time, but Unimate Balance was a game changer because my gut health and my mental health improved big time, right? So I think I answered your question in a very long way, but that's what it's doing to me. Maggie, being your follower, it's a shame on me to leave my lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, has brought me here, ma'am. Thank you for replying so soon, and it's the first time I've got your reply. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry if I did not mean to ignore you, Maggie, but that's so awesome that please don't feel ashamed, okay? Because today is the best day for the rest of your life, and I know this because I felt embarrassed a few years ago looking at my own picture, right? For some of us, it takes just our own, you know, our own pictures to give that, to bring on the transformation. Some people, right? I'm not even finishing my words. I'm like super excited today. For some people, it is not just enough if you look. You want someone else to show you that yes, there is a way. You want to see that one person has done it. Why can't I do? So please don't feel embarrassed about yourself, like not showing up as a best version, because that's what we're going to do from now on, guys. We are going to show up every single day as the best version of ourselves. Johnny, nice effort, but when I lost weight, I felt healthy until I overdid it. Yes, absolutely agree. I'm a person that overdoes everything, overthinks through everything, until people in the Unicity team said, stop overthinking, stop overdoing everything, stop counting your calories, stop overdoing your carbs, right? Your obsession over less carbs. There is something as simple as this. Like, why do you complicate the heck out of your life? If there is one thing that can help you lose weight, as well as ensure that your gut is, you know, thanking you, your mental health is through the roof. You can see, I am a living proof that my mental health now is through the roof, guys. Because honestly, showing up every day for you and having something that can give me that mental strength. And I come from a place where I have a lot of challenges, right? My older one, she is getting into the med school. It's tough for her. My younger one is being, you know, sent to IEP every day. I have to sit with her. It's not that, you know, my life is like, you know, a breeze. It's flowing. Every day I have challenges. And with those challenges, yes, I did lose weight, but my mental health, I did not do anything about it. And I didn't know that I have to do anything about it, right? So yeah, but losing weight definitely helps you get your health a little bit back on track. But you know what, that it did not stop at that level for me. I'm glad you were able to just get over that weight and, you know, feel great again. I wish everybody does that. But thank you so much for sharing. It's amazing you still never got any wrinkles. Oh, filter, yes, filter, watch me on YouTube. You know, I just try to be the best version. This is the visualization I do. Like, if I have the filters on and how clean and beautiful my skin would look like, and visualize myself, because it's so easy to see myself on the filter, and then that's what happens, right? So thank you so much for that. You look so happy when you succeed. That's true. Yes. Yes. Success to me is being able to bring a change in someone else's life. I live for that every day. I quit my corporate job just because I did not feel that I was doing the version that I meant to do. I was the version that I was supposed to be doing, and that is why every day showing up, and when people say, I feel bad, I'm not taking care of my health, I am going to get back on track today, that makes my day, folks. And that's why I want to show up every single day for you, and I'm so glad I'm doing. So when I do my job, when the universe lets me do the job, this is my purpose in life, I feel like I'm already successful, and that's why I'm so happy. And thank you so much for acknowledging it, right? Thank you so much for giving me all that love, because you know what, whatever you give is what comes back to you, guys. Whatever you give is what comes back to you, right? So you don't need to starve yourself, right? That's another thing. You don't need to starve yourself. So please, let's think that in. We don't need, I have done this mistake big time. I thought it was like starvation. My clients do this big time. They come to me with a 600 calorie diet. They follow a 600 calorie diet. They've come to me only drinking water. Okay, so they think it's the starvation that causes them, you know, to lose weight. But you don't need to starve. Starvation does not stabilize your blood sugar, guys. So you don't need to starve yourself. You need to stabilize your blood sugar. That is all that matters, right? So you don't have to feel stuck. Your body can become insulin sensitive again. There is hope, guys. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Your body can definitely become insulin resistant again. And when it does, the fat burning becomes effortless. Trust me, guys, when your body starts to feel great again, that is when you know you're become insulin sensitive again. It starts to respond. What happens when your cells, every cell in your body starts to function the way it was supposed to function? Fat burning becomes effortless, right? So here's how to take on the new habits, right? How to get to a place, how to get rid of that insulin resistance, how to make our body become more insulin sensitive, guys. Let's talk about solutions, which are actions. We got to take actions, right? Motivation can only help us for the next 30-45 minutes. But after that, what do we do? After we get off is what matters. You know that, right? Increase the fiber intake, guys. Increase the fiber intake. And as I said, one thing that has changed my game is using Balance. Balance has a beautiful blend of 7 different fibers, soluble and insoluble fibers. I cannot think of going and hunting out for every max I used to eat was like 2 fiber. Like one is the oat fiber and another is the Metamucil, which is a psyllium version, right? And oat fiber was okay. I just had to ensure that, you know, it was complicated to ensure that you add it every day to your food. But still, we're talking only about 2 fibers. And out of those 2 fibers, 1 fiber, which is psyllium, which is what probably is going in the Metamucil version. I don't even know what goes in Metamucil. But that bloated me so much, made me feel so uncomfortable. Here we're talking about 7 fibers, soluble and insoluble. And what happened was that when I started to take these 7 different fibers, the bloating disappeared big time. I can swear on this, like my bloating disappeared. Swear to God on this. I don't have any more bloating, and the bloating disappeared. I know that my gut health is improving because there's no freaking way in the world I will go and search for the 7 different soluble and insoluble fibers and then find out what is the exact composition, right? What's the exact amount of fiber that should go in. Unicity's Balance has done this all for us. Like all I need to do is, when I'm eating a heavy meal, say if I'm eating 2 heavy meals a day, I just need to ensure that I add this, put it in this water bottle, shake it up and drink it. That's all. How simple can it be, guys? It blows my mind to think, why did I complicate this previously? It's as simple as just putting this fiber in this bottle and drinking it. This bottle now has Uni Mate, which is what I eat in my fasting window, right? Because this is what keeps my mood through the roof. You can see this. This is today's proof. This is a proof of how my mood has been through the roof for the last 45 minutes. No shakiness, no jitteriness. It's pure lighting up to show up for you guys. So this is what Uni Mate does. It keeps my mental energy sharp and bright and through the roof. Maggie, you know me for 4 years. You are telling me that, Neela, this is a different version. This is the comment that's, folks, let's sink this in for a minute, right? A comment coming from a person, from a subscriber who's been watching me for 4 years, where my energy levels were like, hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the soft version, the quiet version of Neela. Now it's been just 1 month. Right from day 1 when I started this, 3 days is what it took for me to realize the impact of this. From the 4th day onwards, I started talking about it. I did a video in my YouTube. It's in Tamil. You can watch if you follow Tamil. But I've been starting to talk about what a game changer this is. I am not scared to talk about anything that can bring about a big change in anybody's health. And you should not be scared as well, right? Don't be worried. People are selling me this. No, people are not selling you this. People are trying to make you healthy. Please let that sink in. People are telling, and this is a proof. Today's compliment that I got, I'm going to take this as a compliment because, you know, that is exactly a compliment. Like your energy levels, your mental sharpness is through the roof. I've never seen this version of Neela. I've never seen this version of Neela. This version of Neela is who this version of Neela is meant to be. And that's what I'm showing. I'm showing up for you every single day, guys. So this is what Uni Mate does to me in the fasting window. And this is what I want you to take along with your food 2 times, 2 meals a day or 3 meals. Whenever you're having a heavy meal, ensure that you support your blood sugar. to make sure that the blood sugar is not through the roof. We don't want that insulin to be spiked up, because we know, we've been seeing that insulin is the fat storage hormone, right? So do that. So balance supports the gut health and it lowers your blood sugar spikes. So what happens when it reduces the insulin spike? Uni-Mate, what it does, so balance does that with the blood sugar levels, and Uni-Mate will reduce your insulin spike, because again, we are getting into the science. We are not talking about wishful thinking, my friends. It looks like fruit fiber. And so Johnny, if you have not had any fiber, it's time to think about it. This one looks like a fruit. Yeah, this is the balance. Yes, definitely looks like an orange drink. You know, but way more beneficial than an orange drink, right? This one tastes like, I have the lemon version of it. It tastes like lemon tea. But you could also try for Uni-Mate, you could try the apple spice version. It has a little bit of a cinnamon taste to it. Whatever. But this one's best, guys. This is the lemon version. Just tastes like lemon tea. It just tastes like lemon tea. Right? So what it does, it's tasting amazing. And you know, balance stabilizes the blood sugar. It has 7 soluble and insoluble fibers. We know Uni-Mate, how does it help improve your gut health, your mood, and take care of the insulin resistance at the root cause level, ensuring that you're not going to be diabetic or pre-diabetic for the rest of your life, is it reduces your insulin spike. How does it reduce insulin spike? Is it increases the GLP-1 production, glucagon-like peptide, and this is the hormone, my friends, that controls cravings. So we're talking about science now. We started talking about our challenges, and then we spoke about the belief systems, the misconceptions, and now we are getting into solution. The solution can be as simple as following a fasting protocol, whatever be that window, that is slowly work your way through the window that works, that is sustainable for the rest of your life. And while you are in that window, to ensure that you keep going in that window, whatever window works for you guys, to ensure that, thank you Jenny, thank you Maggie, thank you so much, to ensure that your window keeps going and it's sustainable, you're going to have Uni-Mate to ensure that your insulin doesn't spike during your fasting window, because it controls your blood sugar and balances it out, increases GLP-1. It helps your mood to be skyrocketing high. It helps your gut to be very friendly, because balanced fiber helps. So what I'm saying is, I'm kind of, you know, all over the place now. This I take for my mood, mental clarity, my focus, to ensure that my insulin doesn't spike, and this also helps with reducing the insulin spike during my eating window. So this I take in my fasting window, this I take in my eating window. That's pretty much, guys, as simple as that. Like 2 packs, 1 in your eating window and 1 in your fasting window. In fact, you could do 2 of this. You could do 2 of Uni-Mate in your fasting window, and you could do 1 or 2, whatever works for you. So in addition to that, time your meals better. Please don't be, eating throughout the day. Stop grazing through the day. Stop snacking through the day. Let your insulin levels drop between your meals. Allow your insulin levels to drop between your meals, right? That's what we're going to be winding up in a few minutes, guys. But we spoke about solutions, and let's talk a little bit about the science behind the craving control and fat burning. As I said, Uni-Mate boosts the GLP-1 production by 60%, which is the same hormone. Guys, think about this for a second. The same hormone, the weight loss drugs mimic. Weight loss drugs that you're taking, say if you've been prescribed with Ozempic, right? Ozempic actually boosts your GLP-1 production. This does exactly that. It's coming from a plant. It's coming from a plant called Yerba Mate. It naturally curbs your hunger. It stabilizes your blood sugar. It gives steady energy. It does not crash you like how coffee can crash you. That's what Uni-Mate does. Now we're talking about the science behind balance, right? The science behind blood sugar regulation. Balance reduces your blood sugar. It only spikes. It reduces your blood sugar spikes by 43%, and it prevents insulin resistance, and it blocks any excess carbs from turning into fat. It supports your gut health and digestion, and helps reduce cravings naturally. Right? Give me a thumbs up if you like the science behind it. No? If it's resonating with you, if it's making sense, okay, give me a thumbs up. If you're serious about fixing insulin resistance, this is the easiest way to do it, guys. If you're serious about fixing your insulin resistance, this is the easiest way. Type health if you're ready to take control of your body. Type health, guys. Health is what we need to take control, and that is where I'm going to show up every single day for you to help you take control of your body. I want you to watch this replay, because today's session has been on fire, guys. So many people gave me a hearts. And I want you to watch this replay every single day. Go to YouTube, Neela Tyagarajan, and watch this. If anytime you're feeling low, anytime you feel like beating yourself up, watch this replay, because you are going to beat yourself up. You're going to say, okay, done. Enough is enough. I am done. I'm not going to dwell over the past. Because past is not in my control. Neither is future in my control. Today is the moment. Today is the moment I get to take control of myself. Because you know what? I am going to lead a life of purpose. I'm going to leave a legacy behind, right? So finally, I promised how to make money helping others, which is exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking care of my health. I'm ensuring that my kids are going to be healthy, and I'm ensuring that they're going to be wealthy, and so same thing with me as well, right? I am ensuring I am going to be healthy, wealthy, and you know what? That is wise, guys, being healthy, wealthy, and wise. If you know, if you believe, if you take this product and you believe that it works, you can talk to people about it and make money. You can help others not only get healthy, but you can make money from this, folks. This is a golden opportunity. So I'm going to ask you something like, if you know that you have a way to help people lose weight, regain energy, and prevent disease, if you have a way where you can help people lose weight, regain energy, prevent disease, would you do that? Would you share that way to people or not? Tell me. Tell me yes or no in the comments, that if you have a way to lose weight, regain energy, and prevent disease, would you share it? That's exactly how I started. I fixed my own health. I've been talking about it for the last few minutes. I fixed my own health, guys, and I started sharing my story. Now I get paid to help others take care of their health. I'm a weight loss coach. I get paid to help others take care of their health. You can do it too. And while you think someone's selling you, and your skeptical side of you is coming over and talking you through, oh my gosh, she's selling. No, she's not selling. She's doing you a service. She's helping you take care of your health. This is not about me. This is about you, how you can take care of your health, how you can improve your money condition. That's what I'm talking about. Because with this business, you don't need to build a website or run ads. You just need to share your story. If you are convinced, you go about telling people. If you're not convinced, don't. Just move on. That's it. No inventory, no complicated funnels, because Unicity ships it to the person who orders it. They're just going to order from your website. How easy can it be? And you just have to talk every single day. You're going to talk about it. So no inventory, no complicated funnels. 56% of the profits go to people like you, not big corporations, guys, not big corporations. Type freedom if you're interested to know how you could go about telling people the health benefits of this, just like how I'm doing. I believe in this 200%, and that's why I'm sharing this with you. All right? All right, guys, if you're ready to take control of your health, send me a DM. Send me a DM in the Instagram. My DMs are blowing up these days. Just because so many people want to take control of their health, find out the root cause of the problem. You don't be that ignorant person. You don't be that person saying that, hey, my gosh, she's trying to sell me. No, she's trying to make you healthy. Getting healthy doesn't have to be expensive. You have 90 days to try this and get your money back. You have nothing to lose, but imagine what this could do for you. If you're having a health condition, and I know most of us are insulin resistant. 88% of people in America have health problems, one or the other. And I'm pretty sure that's the case in India too. So guys, I know you need this. So stop worrying about what it does to me. Think about what it does to you, what it can do to you, right? If you want to take control of your health, send me a DM. Just send me a DM. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Send me a DM. Or check my link in the bio, okay? If you want to make money helping others, send me a DM as well. I'm in Insta. I'm in TikTok. Comment on YouTube. Hey, you know what? Whatever comments you give, I'm immune to it. I am immune to it. You cannot beat a dead horse, guys. I'm already beating myself up every single day. So you cannot crush my ego any further. The ego is already broken to pieces, right? So comment positively if possible. Otherwise, please, okay? So if you want to earn and you help others while you earn, let's chat. If you want to improve your health condition, DM me. DM me. Don't feel shy. If you need help, DM. You don't need to do this by yourself. You can get help. It's as simple. It's very simple, right? Okay. before I go away, let me tell me what's the biggest takeaway from today. We have spent like what, 1 hour talking through all the health challenges and solutions. So you guys, be nice. Please be nice and tell me what's the biggest takeaway you got from today. All right? Until I see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye guys. Until I see you tomorrow. Bye. My live says it'll end in 2 minutes. I'm so glad to have you. Thank you so much. Drag the puzzle into the piece. I did that. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest. Thank you so much for people who joined. Johnny, if you're still on, thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining and commenting and, you know, sharing your thoughts. Until I see you tomorrow, have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Bye. I'm going to end now. I'm going to end on YouTube as well.